Hi guys, today I want to show you another application that you can use the CostyCNC for without using the CNC, just for the hot wire, because I have to cut a lot of rectangular pieces, for example 5 centimeters. Usually I cut that by hand, but now since I have the hot wire here, I set it up on my table and I just use it like a saw, and I go by hand. So I measured 5 centimeters from here to here, because this is it's a little higher here. So I put this block spacer. I measured from here to there 5 centimeters, and I'm just taking all my leftover pieces and I just cut them like this at 5 centimeters. So very handy, and another application for your machine here. Thanks for watching.